operation before using. Check the power supply. Ensure the socket has sufficient current capacity and reliable grounding. 2. Operation. First, add water. Open the sterilizer cover. Take out the sterilizing drum from the unit. Then add distilled water or pure water to the chamber. Second, pile articles. Put the sterilization drum back to the sterilizer. Then place the articles inside it. The exhaust pipe should insert into it. Then lock the cover. Please fasten each pair of bolts arranged diagonally. Third, operation. Connect the power. Turn on the switch to heat. When the temperature reaches 115 degrees, turn on the releasing valve to discharge the cool air for 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it off. By the first time exhausting of a safety valve, it requires manually timing for 30 minutes, then shut off the power. And shut the power, then turn on the releasing valve to exhaust. When pressure displays 0, it can open the cover to take the articles out. Common failures and troubleshooting. 1. No heating after the power on method. Check if the heating tube is damaged. Second, stop heating during running method. Check the overheating temperature controller.